So my name is Abby and I'm the face behind this channel, Queens with Vibes. I'm happy to see you here again. It's a beautiful day today in Ireland. The sun is shining and everybody's in good spirit and a good mood. And I'm on the way out to a stunning town called Midleton, and I'd love for you to come along with me so we can have a bit of let's chat time with Abby, so I can keep you updated with what I've been up to lately. Okay. And as you can see, I'm ready for the sunshine today. Do you like my glasses? So if you like my glasses, leave a comment for me in the comments and I can tell you where I got them. If you're into strange glasses like me, I love my fancy glasses, I'll tell you where I got this one. Okay. So let's roll. Hey kings, hey queens, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you waiting for? You don't want me to get upset? I'm just joking. But seriously now, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that button and subscribe to your Niger Sisters channel. And while you're still here, don't forget to give me a like, share, and comment. I love reading and replying to your lovely comments. Every single like, share, comment, and subscription always make my day. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. In fact, it means the world to me. So thank you. Now, as a Nigerian woman living here in Ireland, I love to show you what's going on around this neck of the woods. As I said earlier, come with me to this beautiful town called Midleton in County Cork. As you know already, I cover Nigerian events in Ireland. So I do a bit of events video coverage on the side, and today I had a Nigerian event to cover right here in Midleton. Midleton isn't just this cute, beautiful town. Beyond the streets lie the world famous Jameson Distillery, home of one of the largest pot stills ever built. As I drove through the main street in Midleton, I couldn't help but smile. The locals are so warm and welcoming. It's the kind of place where shop owners greet you by name, I mean by your first name. And mom and pop cafes make you feel at home. There are lovely little boutiques and plenty of friendly restaurants here. For example, Ferret and Lee is right in the heart of the community, serving amazing local food. And the brand new Michelin recommended spot Kush, it's pure vibes. Plus, it's so safe and family oriented. It's perfect for life, work, and yes, for covering beautiful Nigerian events too, like the one I'm going to cover today. It's one of those places where everyone knows everyone, and you probably get a hi, yeah, and a smile just walking down the street. And if it's a Saturday, you're in for a treat. Midleton's Farmers Market. It's buzzing with locals buying fresh produce, handmade goodies, and catching up on life. It's the heart of the town, honestly. Oh, don't let the small town calm fool you. School rush hour traffic here is something you want to avoid. But hey, that's what makes Midleton feel like home, all right? Now, do you have any idea what the name Midleton stands for? Leave it in the comment and share with us. We want to know. Now, while we are on this little trip together, I wanted you to catch up with me on what I've been building lately and how this journey has grown into something even bigger than I imagined at the start. Before we proceed, leave me a comment below if you're a content creator and how you're finding this process so far, because I love vibing with fellow content creators like myself. As for me, this YouTube journey has been such a beautiful ride, a real blessing. It's a lot of work, to be honest, but creating content has honestly become more than just filming and editing. It has turned into a lifestyle. I started by just vlogging events, travels, fashion, and daily life. But now I'm creating cool digital products as well. I'm helping other creators with my knowledge and all the things I've learned so far. There's no gatekeeping. And finally, I'm beginning to feel like I'm working in purpose. I know you probably hear the term digital products a lot by now. So basically, digital products are simply downloadable files like planners, guides, ebooks, templates, or even online courses with useful, practical, and relevant information that people can buy online and start using instantly from anywhere in the world. There's no shipping, no stress, just pure value. A lot of good things have started to crop up just by me gathering the courage to start this YouTube channel. And I know we haven't even gotten started yet. It was just a couple of months ago that I registered for an online course to learn more about content creation. Now see how far we've come. This is still work in progress and we haven't even scratched the surface yet. If content creation is something you've been thinking about, please feel free to use my consultation link to book a one-to-one with me so I can share some of my knowledge with you. Okay, I'm very open-minded to discuss and just feel free and confident to talk to me. I have even launched a Facebook group for my queens, Queens with Vibes. It's a safe space, a community where women like me, and maybe even like you too, can learn how to grow online, support each other, and stay consistent. It's all about community, creativity, and confidence, and lifting one another up. We share motivation, we share online income and content creation tips, money making tips, fashion inspiration, and much more. And if you're interested in joining us, I'll leave the link to the Queen Circle in the description box below because I believe social media shouldn't just be about flashing soft life vibes. There should be more to learn and to gain from just being on the platforms. So if it's something you're thinking about, just feel free to join the circle. To help other creators stay on track, I created a free planner. It's simple, it's pretty, and yes, it's even colored pink for my queens. It's super useful if you're trying to stay consistent with content creation. This will help you structure and organize your content week by week. Plan out your ideas and actually stick to them without the stress. You find a space in it for brainstorming, weekly schedules, video ideas, and even a section to track your growth. This is the same planner that helps me map out my content and monetize my channel. So I know that it definitely works. And it's my gift to you for showing up and believing in your own journey too. The link to grab it is also in the description box below, or just check my comment section. Now that's not all. For a limited period of time only, I'm now sharing free Canva tutorials to help you design your own social media content like a pro. So you can now design Instagram graphics, Facebook posters. Even if you've never touched the Canva app before, I break it down simply so that you can create content that actually reflects your brand. Bold, clean, and beautiful. Now, here's the exciting part. As I mentioned earlier, I've been creating digital products. Now I've officially started offering digital products, from simple templates and planners to full guides and ebooks, and even an online mini course to help women like you create and sell your own digital products confidently and start making an income for yourself from home. No fancy tools needed, just your phone, Wi-Fi, and the courage to start. And you're guaranteed to get full support from me to help you get fully in the groove of it. So if you've been looking for a site also that you can do from home, like a work from home or remote work, something on the side that you can earn an income and start to build in your own spare time, this is exactly what you might have been looking for. Okay, so let's talk. I know how confusing it can feel when you're starting out. So I created a free starter guide that breaks it all down. What tools to use, where to begin, and how to avoid the overwhelm. I have more details in the description below. You can also check my pinned comment or just look up at my bio section. Some of my early subscribers are now designing and selling their own first ebooks and are able to start earning an income from doing that. One queen just launched her ebook last week using the exact same tips I shared, and the feedback has been amazing. You see, this thing, it really works, and I want you to win too. Okay? So yes, while I'm still vlogging Nigerian events and living the lifestyle content creator soft life, I'm also opening the door to more freedom, more income, and more impact. There's a world of opportunities out there. And as a Nigerian girl, I don't like to slack at all. You know me. And I'm bringing you along with me every step of the way. As for me, I've always been a go-getter. When an opportunity presents itself, I try my best to do my research and educate myself, and then off I go. No time for wasting time. So if you've ever felt like there's more in you, more creativity, more ideas, more value, then come sit with us. Join the Facebook community of like-minded queens. Feel free to grab the planner. The link is below. And I also have a free guide, a sneak peek into the world of digital products. And you can explore the resources I've built just for you. I've got you, queen. Let's grow together. So it's me, your sis, signing out. Your girl, Abby. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment for me, okay? Until the next time, when I have more interesting things for you, keep vibing, keep shining, my queens with the vibes, and kings, of course. Don't let anyone dull your shine. Don't let anyone dim that sparkle. Much love from me to you. It's bye for now.